I try to figure out what's going on. Let me get these guys.
Right.
You'll be seeing me. Does I come in?
You take it on, Chloe?
Yeah. Thank you.
It's good to meet you.
Yeah, I'll see y'all later.
Well,
Is there a water fountain?
a water fountain?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
My tongue is like all the way dry. It's sticking in my mouth. If I'm trying to interview it, but it's like I'm getting like panic attacks, man. I wouldn't even know. I can like be cool if my mouth wasn't dry. If I had gum to chew, I'd be like Clint Eastwood. You know, instead, I don't know. Where are you guys going? You guys gonna be?
Home. Why would I go?
I'll follow you guys. Yeah.
Let's go.
The building's closing now.
All right, you guys getting in?
Oh, it's yelling at us.
I guys not getting in. I gotta be with that guy though.
No, just we're leaving now. We're
I
leaving.
gotta get out.
We're
Don't
leaving, we're
insult
leaving.
me.
Stop.
I gotta get out. I'm gonna fucking. I'm getting.
You need to get out. You need to get out.
What?
Get out. You need to get out. We're close. Get
Yeah.
out. You need to get out now.
Yeah.
Okay. Either this way or
Don't
that
be
way.
freaking out, dude.
You are the one freaking out. Come on, let's go. Either this way or this way.
No, you're not gonna trap me in the elevator, man.
We're already in the building.
No, I'm cool. Don't worry. I'm good.
Are you coming in?
No, I gotta go downstairs.
Okay.
I'm not gonna have these cops treat me like that, though. Hey, there's you, dude. What happened to that meeting that I talked to you at, where you didn't put up online?
Huh?
That one that's missing. One missing meeting.
What meeting are you talking?
I gotta do these guys anyway.
Oh, the water. Yeah, the water guy.
Yeah.
All kinds of different stuff. How's it going?
Hey, so what's the deal with all the prostitution everywhere? I go to where your new annex is going to be, and it's prostitution.
Loves talking about Boston.
And you have prostitution in the parking lots, but you know, down there at Lafayette
And
Street.
Dorchester.
And what else is that building? You know, that's what's the deal with it? You know, why are you guys involved with that?
Who's involved in prostitution? Nobody. Nobody here. No.
They only get involved when they have to arrest somebody for it. Doing their job.
It's in every parking lot. Come on, man. They don't put it here. They don't do it here. They have this other stuff.
4 o'clock guy.
Hunting these people down.
Lawrence
here.
too.
So what? You gonna just pretend it's not going on?
Oh, actually, I did.
You know, all those prostitutes, all that stuff, they
I don't have anybody else to do my taxes, so.
they get involved with the court. They run the cover. They do all the
Whoever.
actors and stuff. You know.
I don't know.
All the actors are down. You don't know. You don't know how it works, right?
I don't know. I have no idea what. I let my police officers do their job.
They're doing it. They're doing the prostitution. Lucas and Bush practically, they told me, it's on the internet.
Basically.
What else with it? Big John's Pizza. You're going to go there. Oh, I'm going to get some John's.
Island.
And then
Long
she's
Island
here
pizza.
like going like this on something. Come on, man. I got it on video. You know?
Crazy.
Like, and then, like, so what? Are you talking to the feds or is it just not, right? Or what?
In Dorchester.
So what?
Right.
Are you ratting or not? Like, right? Because this is fucked up. They shouldn't be doing this.
You got that on video? That's like,
Yeah.
creating porn. Pornography.
So what is it, dude? What's going on with the meeting?
Oh, meeting just ended.
No, you don't know what I'm talking about.
I know them all, but
So do you know how to view the meetings on the city website?
The one that's missing that you didn't put on YouTube.
I didn't find it on our YouTube, but it is posted on the city website.
Oh, okay. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Yeah, so if you,
Thanks a lot.
do you know how to find it?
No, I'll figure it out. Let me finish.
So
these
if you
guys.
go and you hit this link here,
So what's the deal with you? How'd you get this job?
I put in a bid.
And what were you doing before that? What were you doing? What was up
I
with
don't want to
you?
humor him too much.
What?
You have a good one, buddy.
Yeah, you do.
Come
Oh
on.
yeah, you know.
You're
what?
welcome.
Oh, like rock, scissors, paper joke. Okay, so
I always say
Me?
paper, rock, scissors.
no, Officer Bush, me, and then that guy over
Is that
there.
like the hierarchy?
And that guy, you gotta shut up and listen to his funny.
Oh, he's a good
See if
guy.
I can deliver
He's a
it.
good guy. Talk to him.
That's why he's a sergeant.
Oh yeah, I'll do it some other day. I'm not gonna do it if you're fucking around.
I think he's from Haverhill.
So you don't know
No.
anything about the
North
prostitution?
Reading.
You don't know anything about the prostitution or what?
No. Why would I know anything about prostitution?
Do you go in the parking lots? Do you patrol or anything?
Do I go in parking lots to patrol? Of course.
Yeah, you know, you're fucking lying.
All right. I would never lie.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
Yeah, what the fuck's wrong with you?
Oh, jeez.
Fucking animal.
Trying.
I know.
You told me about it. We got it on video. You know, they use the same stuff to blackmail. Okay? They caught her doing something in a parking lot, right? One of these places. And they terrorized her up there. You look at these old videos, they're going, you go round and around, Big John's parking lot. You ought to think about the hurricane and your family. What are you going to do about the family of the hurricane? They got all the code words.
I don't ever go to
And she
Big
wants
John's
to
parking
fucking,
lot.
she's fucked up there. And they do the same thing to, what's his name?
That seems
That's why. And then, so you start out looking here, you see everyone looking like a criminal, all fucked up there. Because they're getting blackmailed. You know about that, don't you?
no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, so you told me all about it. You told me about Big John's and all that stuff. We got it on video, so what's the deal with it?
Are you wearing bowling shoes?
Don't even fucking care, man.
No.
So what? So what, are you gonna just keep doing it?
Doing what?
All the fucking prostitution?
I don't do
What
any
the fuck's
prostitution.
going on, man? The police.
If you see prostitution,
Come on, man.
call us.
You're running it.
I am
You
not
guys are running it.
prostitution, sir.
The sheriff is fucking.
We're
You
not
just
the
got them
sheriff's
punked out
office.
to the sheriff. I know you just punked out to them. You got them in there. You got those guys in your fucking parking lot over there. You got them in your. It's disgusting, man. And what? Oh, so you have your body cam on. You have your body cam on.
Yes, I do.
I'm supposed to enter there. Okay, so what about all the prostitution?
If you see that, call us.
I
and we'll
did.
take care
I'm
of it.
supposed to call you. Call who?
The Cape Coral Police Department. If you see
Oh yeah,
it-
let me
if
tell you.
see
Let
it
me
happening in
tell
our
you right
city,
now. Let me tell you. All kinds of shit. I got death threats now. I'm doing the Fort Myers shit.
Yeah, I don't mind.
You always look good on camera. You always look good on camera.
Fucking nasty.
All right, you have a good night, sir.
For the Botox.
Hey, I'm getting up there.
He told Mullen he needed Botox. Which one?
Alright. What do you think? No. I think I parked a little close to you.
So what the fuck's it for then? What do you guys do that to me for? With that shit. You guys, you're the ones who told me about it.
I know. It was supposed to be a secret. Guess it's not a secret anymore.
Well, I feel kind of bad too because I should have taken it, you know, in a good fucking
We'll see you
way.
next time, bud.
But it involves kids. It's not clean.
I know. See you next week.
Motherfuckers, man. These guys are shit. These guys are fucking dog shit. They know it too. There we go. This motherfucker. What is wrong with this guy? Let me tell you something. Roll it down, I can tell you something.
What's up, buddy?
I get fucking nightmares from this shit up in Boston. You know.
That's
I
why.
put
That's
that
why we
fucking-
live down here now.
It's the same motherfuckers down here. Come on.
Right.
So wait, are you working on it or what?
Well, I'm not right now. I'm gonna leave right now.
What?
I'll work on it later.
Did you talk to
Get me-
someone up there?
Yeah, get me next week when we're here at the meeting. All right?
What the fuck, man? It's like fucking asshole, man. Fucking nasty motherfuckers. They ain't gonna do shit. Damn, man, that's pretty good, right?